Hello everyone, I will upload GATE related videos. Everything will start from this weekend. I have already mentioned that I have some exams, so just spare a few minutes and just see this because this is not related to your GATE, but anyways, this is just a topic I have selected for my seminar which tomorrow I have to present. I would have uploaded yesterday, but due to some reasons I could not, personal things, so please spare few minutes and do watch it and let me know your feedback. Okay, this not be a big video, just a small one. Okay, so the topic I have chosen is AI in medical imaging. So AI, is it a threat or an opportunity? Okay, so this is a topic, and since I don't have I cannot show you with my computer like slides and all so that's why I have written it here. I'll just like next slide I will write it again here. Okay, so just spare few minutes. So now we can say this is as slide number 2, since we are not using this PowerPoint presentation. I've written it down. So now first point is, so for last 10 years, you can say a decade, 10 years is a decade. So this AI has in radiology has expanded from 100 to 150 per year to per year to 700 to 800 every year. So you can see the growth in AI in this field. So now next is magnetic resonance imaging and computed tomography are the like most involved techniques here. So this is commonly known as, we use it as MRI or CT. So MRI is magnetic resonance imaging and CT is computed tomography. So these are like highly used here. AI is highly used in these procedures. So now next is neuroradiology shows up. So this is actually the main point I have underlined here. Shows up the most involved subspecialty. So this is actually the most important among all others. Then it is followed by musculoskeletal, cardiovascular, urogenital, lung and chest, and then stomach radiology. So this all this consists of 6 to 9%. So the first important is neuroradiology, then it is then all this will be followed. So next is the radiologists or the doctors who were actually the forefront of this radiology. So now they can show the path to AI. So they can actually direct that presentation of AI in healthcare. Okay, so we will see next slide. So this can be said as slide number 3. Okay, so AI in medical imaging is one of the most promising areas of health innovation. Okay, so it can be it can include this processing and interpretation, but it is not limited to this. Okay, this has a lot of other things to do. It is not limited to this part only. So it includes this too, but it is not limited to this. So next point is, indeed AI may find multiple applications from image acquisition to processing, aided reporting, follow-up planning, data storage, data mining, and many others. So AI may have multiple applications. So these are the some applications we have taken. There are more than applications here. Okay, so now next point is, this is very important. We will take a brief example shortly. So AI has massively affected the daily lives of this radiologists or the physicians we go to. Okay, so how this is affected, and we will see in briefly. So now we will see some definitions. So you can say next slide. Okay, so AI enables computers to think. We are using this Venn diagram kind of thing to differentiate between AI, ML and DL. So AI is superset. Next is ML. ML is a subset of this AI. ML is statistical tools to understand it. So now a subset of this ML is deep learning. Okay, so deep learning is basically some multi-layer neural networks. So now let's see next slide. The amount of data is increasing rapidly in nowadays. So this can influence how radiologists interpret the images. So now from inference to merely detection and description. So since this data is increasing, so in this case AI is not a threat to radiology, because it is helping the radiologist to detect the images where are all the abnormalities present, etc. So this AI, in this part AI is helping. So this is an opportunity, not a threat. So now next point is, we can say that AI has enhanced the reproducibility of technical protocols, improving the quality of images. So AI is basically has increased the quality of images. Previously what images we used to get, AI has increased the quality and the timing of the scan, timing of MRI, and etc. So there are a lot of things AI has done for us. So this is an opportunity, not a threat here. So finally we can conclude with the previous slides. So this is our last slide. So conclusion. So AI will most likely affect this radiology more than like other clinical or health care fields. Okay, so it will affect radiology more than others. Okay, so now an anxiousness or tension may be there among radiologists to learn some adopt this AI technicalities, because they are more like used to like previously old school ways, but they may have a tension in adopting this AI procedure, but they need not be like very efficient with AI and MLDL. So they just need to know the basic principles of MLDL, and they need to know just the terminologies which this data scientist will be using. So just some terminologist will be helpful. So now finally we can conclude that an opportunity to work for and man-made intelligence is artificial intelligence in radiology is now. So the time has come so that AI can help us with all these things. So basically we are focusing on AI in radiology here. So now this is my conclusion. So I hope you have watched this video, and please leave a comment down below. So or you can text me that if you have found this is good or bad, where should I improve. So this is a request from my side. Just please leave a comment like how I have done. So that's it. So please bear with me for this week. Friday my exams will be over. I will upload GATE materials. So this is just like we can say that before going to actual exam. So I thought, because I make videos and like you guys are my audience, so you can just watch the video and tell me if I am doing some good or bad, or where I'm lacking or anything, because presenting in front of IIT professors is a big thing, right? For me, at least for me it's a huge thing. So that's it. I will upload videos from Fridays. Okay, so sorry, from Friday. So see you in next video. Bye.